Oh no! Look at Benny's room. Toys are everywhere, blocks on the floor, cars under the bed. Teddy Bear is sitting all alone. Benny looked around and gasped. Wow, what a big mess! Can Benny clean up all these toys before bedtime? Let's find out. Just then, Mommy came into the room. She looked around and smiled. It's almost bedtime, Benny. Let's put our toys away. Benny looked at all the toys. Then he smiled too. I can do it. I'll clean up my room. Mommy gave him a big thumbs up. That's my helpful boy. Benny looked down at the colorful blocks. I'll start with these. He picked up a red block, then a blue block, then a yellow block. One by one, Benny placed them into the toy box. Plop, plop, plop. The toy box was starting to fill up. Benny smiled. This is fun, but there were still more toys to clean. Next, Benny saw Teddy Bear. Teddy was sitting all alone. Oh, Teddy, said Benny, I almost forgot about you. Benny picked up Teddy and gave him a big hug. Teddy felt soft and cozy. Don't worry, Benny whispered. I'll help you get ready for bedtime too. Gently, Benny carried Teddy to his special place. Now Teddy was safe and ready for sleep. Benny smiled. One more toy cleaned up. Benny peeked under the bed. Aha! There they were, three little toy cars. A red car, a blue car, and a yellow car. Benny had a fun idea. Let's race to the toy basket. Ready, set, go! Zoom, zoom, zoom! The little cars raced across the floor and one by one they rolled safely into the basket. Great job, cars! Laughed Benny. The room was looking cleaner already. Benny looked around the room. I think I'm almost done. But then something caught his eyes. A tiny bump under the rug. Benny carefully lifted the corner, and guess what? A little green dinosaur was hiding underneath. There you are, laughed Benny. I've been looking for you. The tiny dinosaur had been hiding all day long. Benny picked it up with a smile. Now it's your turn to go home. Into the toy basket went the little dinosaur. Plop. Now the room is really getting clean. Benny looked around his room one more time. The blocks were put away. The race car were in their basket. Teddy Bear was resting in his special spot. Even the little dinosaur was home. Benny blinked. Then he smiled. Wow, look at my room. Everything was neat. Everything was tidy. Everything was clean. Benny stretched out his arms. I did it. His room looked wonderful. Just then Mommy came back into the room. She looked around carefully. The floor was clean. The toys were put away. The room looked wonderful. Mommy's eyes grew wide. Wow, Benny, you cleaned up it all by yourself. Benny smiled from ear to ear. Mommy gave him a big hug. I'm so proud of you, she said. Benny felt warm and happy inside. Helping out felt really good. And the best part, it was almost bedtime. Benny gave a big yawn. Oh, it had been a busy day. He cleaned up his toys, he helped Mommy, and he did a wonderful job. Now it's time for bed. Benny climbed under his cozy blanket. Teddy Bear snuggled close beside him. Mommy tucked him in nice and snug. Good night, Benny, she whispered softly. Good night, Mommy, Benny replied. Benny looked around his room one last time. Everything was clean, everything was peaceful, everything felt just right. Benny smiled. He was ready for sweet dreams. Outside, the moon was shining. The stars twinkled softly in the night sky. Benny hugged Teddy Bear close. His room was clean, his toys were safe, and his heart felt happy. Benny gave a sleepy smile, then whispered, Good night, Teddy. Good night, race cars. Good night, little dinosaur. Good night, blocks. Good night, room. Good night, Mommy. Benny closed his eyes. The moon washed over him. The stars sparkled above, and soon Benny was fast asleep. Sweet dreams, Benny, and sweet dreams, friends. Good night. Thank you for listening, friends. Sweet dreams. See you in the next story.